Bitcoin is perfectly getting supported by the 100 MA line, but this is a really important decision moment for the price of Bitcoin. Do we need to worry for a break towards the downside and a bear market? Or will we get supported and will we see another leg towards the upside? We have been closing below the yearly open, and that is exactly what I've been predicting here. But right now, the other prediction will go on here, and that means that we will pump in Q1 2026. Markets are still slow, volume needs to kick in, but if we see so, this is what I am doing next for Bitcoin. We will dive into that and way more in today's video, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and subscribe over on my YouTube channel to never miss a daily update video once again. And if we look at this 100 MA line, we can see that this line is really important for the Bitcoin price. Why? This is pure a trend line. So if we break towards the upside, that is exactly what we have been seeing right over here and right over here. The bull market started and we saw massive gains coming in for Bitcoin. But right here, we broke towards the downside, and that is where the bear market started, and that is where the real downside hit for Bitcoin. And right now we are exactly getting supported by that 100 MA line. So it is decision time for Bitcoin. Will we get supported by the 100 MA line and see another leg towards the upside for Bitcoin? Or will we break towards the downside and see a massive move towards the downside coming for Bitcoin? Right now, we are getting supported, but we are ranging here exactly at the 100 MA line. And I've been talking about this a lot here. The longer we are ranging at this support line, the weaker it will get and the more likely we will see a move towards the downside. So that is exactly what I say. We need to see volume kicking in the market right now. If we not see any volume here, any buy volume coming, this could end up scary for Bitcoin. That is also why I am expecting and not doing anything in the market right now. Because look at this range. It is terrible to trade. The volume is low. We need to see a real move getting started here for Bitcoin to know what we need to do next on Bitcoin. Right now, we have been bouncing between these lines and you could short the top, long the bottom, but we are massively accumulating liquidity above and below those lows and highs. Now, the blue zones are pretty important for the liquidity. So if we pump or dump towards the blue zone, I am looking to trade this towards either the upside or towards the downside. For now, I'm not interested in any trades here if we not break this resistance or this support towards the downside or either the upside. So for now, I am waiting full volume in the market, and if we see a setup unfolding, I will keep you posted right over on my X page and in my free Telegram group. It's the first link in the description. You can join, and if you follow me over on those socials, you will never miss a move in crypto once again. And if you want to trade those setups and moves by yourself, please make sure to sign up on WeX through the second link in the description. And if you do so, you participate with the last day of the 1000 USDT trading bonus to one of you guys. What do you need to do for that? Subscribe over on my YouTube channel, like this daily update video, and sign up on WeX through the second link in the description, and you will make chance to win 1000 USDT trading bonus here. Also, if you look at the yearly open of 2025, we broke down the yearly open, and that is exactly what I've been calling here for the last few weeks. This was the exact theory I was talking about, that they want to have good reports, dump Bitcoin below this line. But I also said that Q1 in 2026 will be very good. And that is exactly what I am expecting here. Of course, right now, volume is still low, but in the upcoming weeks, the volume will kick in Bitcoin once again. And that is where we will see the real move and the truth about Bitcoin here. For me, I personally think We are getting supported by this low, which is pretty important. The trend is still up. We have been seeing this manipulation for a long time here. This is exactly what institutions want, and I think they want the next leg towards the upside here to have good reports in 2026. So this is what I am expecting for the yearly open here, and we have been calling the market here pretty good. Then if you look at the Bitcoin exchange net flow of all exchanges, we can see that Bitcoin is entering 2026 in a range bound regime, and this is an important thing because there was no blow off top or a collapse of price, and on-chain data shows us that we are not in a distribution phase. There is no capitulation, and the structure, like I said, is still intact. Because what we can see here, we are still above those lows, and that is exactly what you want to do here. And we are just ranging, just compressing. Big wheels and institutions are buying, are playing at this zone here. That is what we have been seeing over the past few weeks, and that is why I say the next move will be very big for Bitcoin. And I personally think that the move towards the upside is here to be made in the upcoming weeks. We will dive into that in way more daily update videos, but this was it for now. Please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss something throughout the day in crypto ever again. If you follow me right over here, you will get every single news and setup in the market. And of course, I would really appreciate you guys to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video. And I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.